Go.
Hello again, everyone. It's Patrick at Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa. 563-875-2409 or victoryford.com. Hey, it's new car season, and it's also made-to-order season. We've got a bunch of the order banks open right now for some of the most popular Ford models, Explorer, F-150, Escape, Edge, you name it. A lot of those are open right now, so if you're looking for a particular vehicle and gotten frustrated looking on all those lots trying to find one, we can build one to order, and there's some great incentives right now. You can lock in rates on F-150s, keep that rate low. When your truck comes in, you can maintain that. And we also have a little bit of a selection of vehicles on the lot. It's getting better every day. You've seen the factory flow has started opening up, and we've got Bronco Sports available. We've got a couple F-150s. We've got Explorers available. So those are vehicles on the lot. But I'd be remiss not to mention, we have over 40 new Fords coming in available for stock. And the important part of that to you is they're available for pre-sale. If you come into the dealership, we've got them all mounted on our sales manager's windows, all the different options. So you can come in and drive one of the vehicles we have, then pick out your options, match it against what we have coming in, and win-win situation. We'd have your new vehicle showing up here in the next few weeks because they're all in transit right now. And that's over 40 vehicles. So once again, Patrick, Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409 or victoryford.com. Enjoy this late summer weather and come out today. See you soon. Bye.